unconstitutional.
I mean, he wants to know who's in this country, and I think as a sovereign nation, we have that right. It's been a question that's been on the census for decades, but we'll wait and see how the Supreme Court rules.
The government argues that including the question will help enforce the Voting Rights Act, while critics say the question will deter non-citizens from filling out the census, resulting in a massive undercount.
That is the reason why they include this famous question about citizenship, because they know that people of color, immigrants, are going to be scared about that.
Whichever way the justices rule in this case could impact all Americans. That's because the census count dictates how many members of Congress represent each state and where the federal government sends billions of dollars in funding. One government estimate says 6.5 million people would avoid answering the census if the citizenship question was included. In a lower court ruling against the census question, U.S. District Judge Jesse Furman wrote, Texas, Arizona, Florida, and plaintiffs New York and Illinois face a substantial risk of losing a seat in the next congressional reapportionment because of the addition of a citizenship question to the 2020 census. Nicole Killian, CBS News, Washington.
Now, it is against the law to fail to fill out the census. It's also against the law for the government to use census data to target people who are in the country illegally. Well, back here in Montana, students at a Flathead High School were on lockdown this morning after threats made by a parent. According to the Columbia Falls Police Department, just before 8 o'clock this morning, an upset parent made threats towards law enforcement and made comments about suicide by cop. Columbia Falls High School was immediately placed on a soft lockdown. Police say no direct threat was made towards students or staff and that the lockdown was used as a precautionary measure. According to a release from law enforcement, the individual who made the threats is now receiving medical attention, and there's no threat to the public at this time. Well, 2 people are dead after a shooting and standoff Monday night in central Montana. It started with a shooting in Cave-In and ended after a standoff in Shelby. MTN's Joe Husinga brings us the latest.
According to the Toole County Sheriff's Office, they received a call Monday morning from a female reporting a possible shooting in Cave-In. Deputies responded to that scene where they found a deceased male at a residence. When they began the investigation, they discovered that a male suspect had taken a woman at gunpoint from Cave-In to his residence in Shelby. The man then barricaded himself and the hostage inside his residence, and authorities began blocking